Alright, you're on your own, I'm going in. Oh yeah, I need to drag it in a bit more. The worst part is the first wet shoe. Okay, calm down. Let me get in first. Thank you. And away we go. Bye. Oh yeah, okay. Now I need somewhere to put my phone. Hi Matt. He's going commando, everyone. Forgot his boxes. We're gonna swap phones. Well, not swap phones. Swap people. So you loop it around this.
Can't turn around. No, I'm not getting closer to you. There we go.
Hi. What are you struggling with?
Nothing.
Nothing.
That's fine.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go.
Is it going to record sound though?
I don't know.
I have to shout at it.
Okay, I'm out of nowhere. Do it.
That's why he has.
Down. Do it.
That's why he has the
Roger,
buoyancy.
I'm just saying, Dan is the only lifeguard
Oh.
that you can in the boat. So if you do end up drowning, he's going to have to jump in with your boat. He's going in. He's going in. Alright, chicken down. I love it.
Yeah, he hasn't got a paddle. Let's leave him and. My face.
What could go wrong?
Drowning.
A shark could eat you. Loch Ness monster. Where are they? That wasn't really a flip, was it? What the hell?
Oh shit.
You just knocked him out. When you go underwater, you don't breathe in. You hold breath. Hold breath until you come out of water. Caravan Dan. Caravan Dan. Okay. Hello.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Okay, so we had a failed attempt to flip, so we're gonna try again. Alright. Letting yourself up.
Remember, when you're underwater, don't breathe in. Hold breath. Where are you going?
That way.
Oh, across the line. Okay. You said just go put your foot on that and slip.
Yeah, I know, that's
Belly flop onto mine.
not quickly.
Oh!
Oh! Give me a
You
countdown.
need to get a bit closer.
Oh, just give me a countdown.
It's going away. Oh no!
No. Right, give me a countdown.
3,
1.
3,
From 5.
2,
From 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh shit!
They're not going to try to talk to you. I breathe.
You breathe. This is how you can learn to swim. Swim!
Swim. Am I doing it right? Do I need more splash?
Yeah, more splash, big power.
Huh?
Big power, more splash. Yeah. That's it.
The power. The raw speed. Oh no! Alex, you use 2. You'll have double the power.
I'm gonna do a thing.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
Oh dear. So suddenly there are lots of boats out here.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, it's got a rope on it. Imagine wearing Nikes in the lake. Dunk and on the line. Okay, don't do the wall.
You could use another hand.
I could use another hand.
You do have two hands.
You're wearing soap all day.
I got a wet hand. We have finished our day at the lake. Thank you for the keys. It's time to get changed, except... Oh, oops, I left one of the armbands at the shelf. Don't need it anyway. £1 enough after. Right, now we get changed in the car because of Corona. Changing room's closed, so we have to get changed here. Dan is already on his way. Okay, so snacking on some crisps. So we all got changed. Well, most of us except Dan because he parked kind of far away. Except I've just realised I took the case off this phone so I could put it in the waterproof pouch, and now I have to go all the way back to the hut because I left it on the floor. I hope it's still there. What's going on down here?
Damn, boy, look at that ass.
Ow! Oh, that's a stinging nettle.
Oh, well, there's dot leaves on the road.
Alright. Can't take them anywhere.
And now all the normal people.
Wait, you've just seen it.
Ah, this fun!
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Do stupid things, win stupid prizes.
Yeah, it's just annoying.
You don't have any of those.
Ooh, let's see who can throw it the furthest.
No, my arm hurts.
Thanks for coming.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Yeah. It's just gonna be me and Dan because everyone else lives. Well, I'd say live far. They live around the corner, you lazy poops.
Yeah, I'm the only one with an actual excuse.
Yeah. Rightio then. That concludes the kayaking experience for today. There's Matt through the window. How long is he gonna wave for? Oh, he stopped. Oh, waving. Yeah, that concludes our sesh for today. Thank you guys for coming, and thank you guys for watching, if you're even still here. Everyone is gonna head off now. I need a shower. We all need a shower after that water. Thank you guys for watching. Do be sure to like, subscribe,